Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. So in today's video I thought I would share with you how I'm going to clean this beautiful old Chinese teapot, and as you can see it's got lots of little crevices to really where the dirt has got trapped in, so we're going to clean that out. And if we lift the lid up here, you can actually see on closer inspection that it's actually missing a piece, which once this is cleaned in the next video we will actually fill this back in and get it looking almost back to new again. Now what you will need is a plastic bowl, so we're not going to chip anything whilst we're washing, a toothbrush so we can get right into those crevices, and some old gloves here. So I've got some old plastic gloves. Now I have actually boiled a kettle full of hot water, so I've got some nice warm water just to really help clean. Also a tea towel or a piece of kitchen towel just to place the item on afterwards whilst it's drying. So I've got some little bit of liquid here, washing liquid. I just add a tiny bit to the item. Take our hot water. Doesn't have to be boiling hot, just sort of a warm to hot, just so it can actually take out the grease and dirt. Now obviously if you do have anything which is got any gold gilding on or any form of gilding, you may want to not do this process. You have to be a lot more careful. So with the toothbrush here, we're just going to submerge it into the water and just very slowly with the toothbrush start to clean the item. And on the other parts here. Now you can see this is old and Chinese. Definitely Chinese because it's got a slight sort of grey-blue tinge to the area. As you can see, it's quite grimy. And by using a toothbrush you can really get in to those nooks and crevices. Keep going. Now this has been repaired a couple of times before. I can see here it's also had repair on the end of the spout here, so we may just finish that off in the next video once we've applied our Milliput when we do the extra section. So really getting in. And then not forgetting the insides as well. Make sure we get right into there. You want it absolutely clean as well, so not a speck of dust, or literally. So then when we apply any Milliput or any glue to any area, it's going to bond and stick a lot better. Right, and then just again into the warm water. And just keep it going over. Now the base here is quite dirty still, and I think it's going to take a little bit more than a little bit of washing liquid. So at this point you can apply something like Biotex, or I've got some Vanish here which will actually bleach it slightly, but again you want to make sure this isn't on any gilding or anything like that. So just applying a little bit of either the Biotex or some Vanish, some sort of whitening agent, and again apply it into our water here, and then again just give it a good scrub through. Now I'm letting this seep into the surface for a bit longer. Meanwhile we can just keep going. This will make it a lot brighter as well. Keep scrubbing along with the whitening agent at the bottom here, and as you can see it's really bringing it up quite nicely. So once we've done that process, we just want to rinse it in some warm water to make sure everything is off, and so it's nice and clean with no products left on there. So really give it a good going over. And just leave it to dry. And then also on our small piece here, on our lid. And as you can see, it's nice and clean now. So I'm going to leave that to dry, and it shouldn't take too long. And in the next video, we will actually start to fill in some of those missing pieces and cracks. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and again, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and look out for next week's video where we finish off on our lid here. So have a good day. Bye.